Here we go, friends. Here's our 1500 Chevrolet. Thursday evening. We're finally going to get hubs on our truck. We got them on other people's trucks, but here's old Zach the man. He's getting ready to wrap up this project. Yeah, friends, so here you black Silverado. This is 2015. This is one of our trucks. We've been wanting to get some hubs on this 1500, so there you go. We're looking at it, and of course it's real simple. You're just replacing the bearing hub, and we just gotta slip our little lockers on, and we're good to go. So wrapping up this project. So yeah, completely change your vehicle. Change the gas mileage, free up some horsepower, prevent some wear and tear. Hell, it'll even steer better. I know that seems weird, but yeah. And so, second installment, we'll have the lockers in place, and y'all folks will get to enjoy that. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Chevrolet.